Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla, Model 3 and Model Y owners, cup holders. We have cup holders in the back seat, but what if you have 3 passengers? What are you going to do? We've got a great solution. This is great. It's an organizer. You can put a phone in here and cups as that clips right onto the rear back air vent. So during the full installation, we're going to do next, we're going to pull these 3 tabs off, or these red liners of VHB tape. But watch how easy this is to install. Just simply insert it right on and over, and it locks in and it grabs. Just like that, the sides hook on. You could put a phone here, you could put drinks here. It's great, it's practical. So now you have room for 4 drinks in your back seat, as well as a place to put your phone. Your passengers are in the rear. Now, of course, there isn't a lot of leg room, but if you did have someone small here, it would still work. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to do the full installation, and this is our back seat, center console, 2 additional cup holder piece for the Model 3 and the Model Y. Okay, this is an extra vent piece. We want to show you how this installs and how it won't do any damage at all. So what you're going to do, come a little closer with the light, is you're going to put this over the existing vent cover. And when you put it on like this, you'll see what's happening. This is locking on the bottom, and the sides are going to lock in place, and the double-sided tape is going to hold it. So it's not going to fall off, and we just want to show you what's happening on the inside. Now we're going to peel the tape and install it right now. Okay, now what's essential is use the alcohol wipe, or just use some rubbing alcohol and clean the surface where the double-sided tape is going to attach. Just make sure you got all the oil and grease. Sometimes Tesla delivers these cars and they put Armor All everywhere just to shine them up. So let that dry. And then we're going to use a pick or something to start the tape liner. Just remove the tape liner pieces. And remember, we're trying to hook it on and catch here and here. So you don't want to put this on incorrectly. So spread it out, lift it away, line it up straight over the top, come down just like this, and press it on and up. And the sides should be nice and collapsed. Your armrest shouldn't have any interference. And apply pressure here. A pressure-sensitive adhesive double-sided tape is only activated with pressure. So you got to push on here strong. All right, now we're going to get some pictures, put a lot of drinks in here. You can put a phone in here. It's really awesome. So you get a little storage for the back seat, as well as 2 additional cup holders. Okay, thanks again for watching. And it's the back seat for the Model 3 and the Model Y cup holder and storage tray add-on over the vent cover.